How to recover hacked Facebook account. Let's get started. First, launch any of the browser. Now navigate to this one website to recover your hacked Facebook account. Now scroll down and click on this website option, facebook.com/hacked. You'll be directed to this page. Here you're gonna find a different option. Select this one. Someone else got into my account without my permission, and then click on continue. To help keep your Facebook account secure, you'll need to go through few steps. Click on Get Started. Now what you have to do is click on Continue and you'll be directed to this page from where you can easily reset your password. So type in the current password and then type in new password. Click on Continue. With that, you might gain access to your Facebook account. So this is how you can easily recover a hacked Facebook account. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.